Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to the Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. If returning, thanks for coming back. Today, I'm going to be talking real shortly with you about Airbrush and getting started and using channels like this one to seek information. There's obviously a lot of YouTube channels out there for anything you're interested in. In this case, it's airbrushing. You'll see a lot of things online where, whether it's this channel or somebody else's channel, that they're out there giving bad advice. Well, I disagree with that. I don't think anybody takes their time and their effort with a channel like this or other channels to actually put out, purposely put out bad advice. What I think is everybody has their own style, their own techniques, and their own way of achieving the results that they want to achieve. It's my belief that art is very subjective, and what is appealing to one person is not appealing to another. Just like techniques. Techniques may not be considered subjective. There's many different techniques and styles that can be used to achieve the exact same result. I would hope that the people that are taking their time to create videos for you to learn airbrushing are well-experienced people. I myself have over 20 years experience airbrushing. Am I the best airbrush artist? No, there's a lot of airbrush artists out there way better than me. But after 20 years, I do have really good control of my airbrush. I've experienced a lot, I've made my mistakes, and that's what a channel like this is about, is to share with you my experiences, my techniques, and to help you try to avoid some of the mistakes that I made along your airbrush journey. The number one piece of advice that I could probably give you is when you're getting into airbrush, you live in a day and age now where you can get on your phone and just Google anything you want or YouTube anything you want. YouTube is many airbrush videos or beginner airbrush videos that you can and get a good perspective of a bunch of channels out there. I have my favorite channels that I watch. I love to watch airbrush videos. I have my favorite, YouTube airbrush channels that I watch. You can never stop learning. I don't care how long you do this. I love to pick up different tricks and techniques off of really cool guys out there as well. So the best advice again that I can give you is you'll find a few that you like. You'll settle in on them and, have at it and have a great time. And one last thing, practice, practice, practice. So if you did stick around to the end of this video and you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up would be great. A couple comments, good or bad, really helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps this channel grow. Don't forget to check out all my Amazon affiliate links that I put down below of all my videos. And we got a really cool new store tab. Don't forget to click that up above. That has a lot of cool airbrush merchandise on it. Go check it out. The store's been doing really good. Really appreciate your support. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.